ready to go.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today's day 3 for you and day 5 for me of the a la carte project. And that's a project where I've got a go-kart frame and you choose the motor we're going to put on it. I expected the chainsaw motor to win, but I wanted the weed eater motor to win. Because with a weed eater, I can put a whole bunch of weed eater motors on it just to see what'll happen. And of course, I mean a whole bunch all at the same time. But anyway, you voted and weed eater came in third. Chainsaw came in second. And the number one choice for motors? The Predator. So I went to the store yesterday and bought ourselves a brand new Predator motor, and we're going to get her bolted in. Now, yesterday I went ahead and did the brakes and got all that straightened out to make sure that she'll stop. And this is going to have a break-in period, but I'm going to do that on a different video. So let's get her bolted on and see what we've got. Now for the fun part, mounting the engine on the frame. First thing we'll do is get the bolts in the bolt holes. And we're just going to lay them in there loosely. That way when the motor goes over this and we're laying it in, the holes will fall into these holes and we'll be good to go. It'll hold the motor in place and keep it from sliding around. As you can see, we've got her up at an angle. When we do this, we'll get underneath it and put some bolts in her real quick. Some nuts on the bolts. I got 2 of them. Let's see where we're at. There's 3. And there's number 4. I'm going to hold this and since we've got it up at an angle, we'll put one of the high side nuts on, and she'll hold still. Just a little bit. We don't take it down. We don't take it down too good. Couple nuts on. And put things in place. There you go, that's the first nut. That's the first one. Now she'll force all the rest. That's not going to see any oil yet. She's not going in. We're going to go ahead and see before we run it. We're going to keep it down. Keep it down. They're going to pull the now I need to tight because I need to move the motor around a little bit to change before we're done. We're going to just tighten up before we're done. Okay, that said, let's put the wheel back on. And there you go. See, and this is why we want the motor to be pretty loose right now. Now let's not put the clutch back on. We're going to leave her just like she is for the break-in period. We'll run it just like this. So I'm going to put the wheel back on, and we're going to put her back on the ground and roll her out into the driveway and do the break-in, and then we'll come back to this probably tomorrow morning. The viewers have spoken, and here she is. The a la carte gets her first motor, the 6.5 Predator 212cc. So let's take a look at what we've got and take her for a ride. I went through the tires and suspension, made sure everything's bolted up nice and tight. Installed the new motor, new cables. Let's come around here. Whoops. Put new brakes on and cleaned up the clutch a little bit. She was a little shaky. And now the motor's been through a full break-in period, so she's ready to run. So let's take her for a ride. That was a whole lot of fun. And she even spins a tire. So she's got all the power she could possibly need. And when you hit the gas hard off the line, it actually, you can feel it try to wiggle out a little bit. So that Predator motor was definitely a good choice. Now you need to pick the next motor that goes in her. I'm still thinking a couple of weed eater motors. I don't know, maybe 4 weed eater motors. How about a chainsaw motor? Maybe an electric motor. It's up to you to pick. You pick it, and I'll get her bolted on one way or the other. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.